Vista Resort, and we're just gonna fish right to this point. All these grasshoppers, and I'm in the middle of the bay. So, let's see you guys at the first spot. Oh, it's not bad. Oh no. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, it came off. Oh, is it still on? Oh, got one. It's a bluegill.
Here?
Yeah.
And you just twist it out like that.
Okay, bye bud. Alright guys, today is not a great day. 2 or 3 fish. We covered a ton of water. Just the bite was not good at all. Especially at Clear Lake, the wind just picks up super fast. And when you're on a kayak like this, wind isn't that great. Especially now since we're going against the wind. This might take us maybe an hour to an hour and a half to get back to the boat ramp. We'll catch you guys back at the boat ramp. We're almost there. This is crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Even though today wasn't that great, I hope you guys enjoyed just watching a video at Clear Lake. I know that I really like going to Clear Lake. I really like reading your guys' comments and replying to your comments. So please comment on any of my videos. I'm really happy to respond. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys soon.